Number 3 for a change. 3 square root of x plus 1 is equal to 15. And let me go ahead and have some of my students answer. For this one, I'm going to need the best of the best. Jose Eduardo, let's go ahead and work on this one together. Okay? 3 square root of x plus 1 is equal to 15. So the first thing you need to do is to move everything that's not an x over to one side, right? Problem is, though, I have a 3, I have a square root, and I have a 1. Which one do you get rid of first?
The square root?
I would not, no. Because if you try to get rid of the square root first, which you can, it's going to make the whole thing very messy. For instance, let's say that we did that. Let's say that we tried to get rid of the square root first. How do you get rid of a square root? You square.
Yeah.
Lo cuadras. Para decirte una raíz cuadrada, tienes que cuadrarlo, ¿verdad? O elevarlo al segundo poder. So that would mean this and this, but that's going to be a really big number. And this is going to turn into 9 times that, and then you're going to have to multiply it. So if I were you, I would get rid of the 3 first. This little sucker right here is going to save you quite a bit of trouble. So let's forget this solution for now. And now, Jose Eduardo, what is this 3 doing to the x in there?
It's multiplying.
That's right, it's multiplying. So in order to get rid of that 3, what are you going to have to do?
You have to divide 15 times.
Excellent, Jose Eduardo. So we're going to go ahead and divide this side by 3. And we're going to go ahead and divide this side by 3. Now hold up. Why are you dividing? Because this guy is multiplying. How do you know? If it's right next to the square root, that means multiplication. If it's not the tiny number, of course. So these are going to cancel, right? And what's 15 divided by 3, Jose Eduardo?
5.
That's right, very good. So this is going to go ahead and simplify into square root of x plus 1 es igual a 5. Very good. Now, Jose Eduardo, now you can do it. ¿Cómo me deshago de la raíz cuadrada?
You square it.
Right, you need to square it. So you're going to go ahead and square one side, and then what you do to one side,
You do to the other.
you have to do to the other. So the square root and the square root are going to cancel. And on the left-hand side, I'm left with x plus 1. And on the right-hand side, I'm left with
25.
very good. 5 times 5, which is 25. Now, Jose Eduardo, go ahead and land this plane, dock this ship, park this car, bring us home.
You have to subtract 25 minus 1,
Very good.
which is 24, and it will be x equals 24.
Excellent job, Jose Eduardo.